guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bro Video. Hope you guys having a great day, great night, good afternoon, depending on when you guys watching this video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a oil change as well as a oil catch can install. So make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that thumbs up for me, drop a comment down below, make sure you guys subscribe, and yeah, let's go and get this video running up. So let me show you guys the oil real quick that I'm going to be using for this video, as well as the oil filter, and I'll show you guys the oil catch can that I'm going to be using. It's going to be an ADW1 baffled oil catch can. So yeah, let's go and get it. Pop the hood real quick, letting the car cool down because I've been driving it all day today. Just got off work. So I got the oil catch can, or I got the oil filter right here. It's the HP 1008 K&N. This is the one I always go to and use all the time. So highly recommend it for you guys. And it also comes with a little sticker for you guys. So if you guys want to put the date and the mileage, you guys could definitely do that. And I definitely have the oil in here as well. So I got the 0W20. I should have got 0W30, but 0W20 is just as good. A little bit thinner, but it's perfect. So let me go ahead and show you guys the oil catch can as well. Car is ready, so excuse that. But yeah, here is the oil catch can, guys. ADW1 baffled oil catch can. Should be super easy to install. Obviously you got the inlet and the outlet. I picked up a low pressure fuel pump as well, guys. This is the Walbro 450 low pressure fuel pump. So this is good to run E85 on most vehicles, especially for Q50s, Q60s. And I decided to go this route instead of getting the AMS one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this car jacked up real quick. Well, you guys see who it is? Dang, it's white.
I know.
Why is it so white?
Because I paid 11 grand.
What was this?
My house.
Woo! Are you about to open them?
Yeah.
For the camera?
Yeah. Here.
I bet.
First one, I'm gonna pull a Charizard.
Go ahead.
Because it's got Charizard on it.
Go ahead, buddy.
I have a problem.
Eric's always balling out, buying all these Pokemon cards. I can't relate. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys
play Pokemon.
Yeah, if you guys play or if you guys collect Pokemon cards. What is that one?
Nothing.
Oh.
Oh, that's actually cool.
A Mega Dude. A Charmander. Ooh, that one's sick. I like that one.
Oh!
What is
no
that?
way!
Mewtwo?
Bro! Oh, hold on, be careful with it, be careful with it.
Eric's about to go inside the car and rev it up so you guys can hear the before and after, obviously. So this is the before. We got the kit for it as well because you are going to be needing a kit. Concept Z sells it. Yeah, so it's like the whole couplers and everything. Show you guys right here.
These are all the vacuum lines.
Alright guys, so we just got done with the oil change. We're about to install the oil catch can.
Right here.
Yep, mounted right there. We have a bracket for it and everything. There's plenty of video guys on YouTube. I'll make sure I link one down in the description up here. We're not going to do an install video, but it's super simple like I said. You have the inlet and the outlet. I believe the shorter one is the inlet one that will go into the manifold. And then obviously the longer one will go into the other routing.
The oil catch can, what it does, it just helps circulate oil through your motor, catches all the dirt and debris out. It helps circulate all the dirt and shit out so it's not going through your motor. It also protects your turbos, water from the oil.
The cool thing about this one is it comes with a little dipstick so you guys can even see the level of it. Where's it at?
I think that is, yeah, this is it.
Yeah, so with this one you can even like see the level with it without even like having to open it. You can just pull that little dipstick out and you can see it from there.
It'll show you like, well, some of them are pretty fancy and they show you like water to oil ratio that your motor's cycling.
So this is where we're gonna mount the bracket to. Longer line went to the outlet, the shorter one went to the inlet, and right now Eric's just getting the clamps in there. Obviously, this adds like 50 horsepower, so I'm pretty excited.
Bruh. Eve, where you at? I know you're gonna watch this video.
I wonder what he's doing right now. Actually, let's call him.
He's getting the Rona.
Hey Siri, call Eve. Of course she listens to me.
Calling ever.
Listen to me.
Guys, look at my phone. I need to get a new phone. Are you guys seeing this? I haven't dropped it or anything.
Hold up, put him on speaker.
Alright, so look, I haven't dropped my phone, no water damage or anything. And there's a white line right there for some reason. This is why you should buy Android iPhones. Oh my God! Speaking of the devil,
Where you at? Hey. Where you at? Where you at? Boo!
hey,
I see you working hard, buddy.
Why are you in prison?
how are your employees doing?
Hey, tell your employees to get to work.
We're about to install the blow-off valves. I'll give you guys an update, let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so we just got done with the oil catch can. Obviously came out perfect as always. We always do a good job. As you guys know, we're certified mechanics. We work at Nissan.
Get squished in.
I'm gonna make sure I link a video down below for you guys because we're not gonna do an install video on this, unfortunately. There's plenty of videos out there for you guys. I'll make sure I'll link one down below. If we do run into any roadblocks or anything like that, we'll make sure we keep you guys updated and let you guys know what to look out for. Piece right here is gonna be a pain in the ass. Alright you guys, 3 hours later, no I'm kidding, more like an hour and a half. Shout out to Eric though for helping me out. He did most of the work. We're about to do the first startup here. We got the catch can installed as you guys saw. We have the blow off valves as well, both sides. So yeah, we're about to start it up. Luigi, whenever you're ready. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
So we're just checking for leaks right now, making sure everything's tight. We don't feel any leaks anywhere. Everything looks all snug and ready to go. So we're just double checking our work, but yeah, whenever Luigi's ready. Sounds filthy, bro. Oh, that sounds really good, bro. That's loud. Yo, we're gonna do a couple flybys right now as well. Before we head out and do a couple flybys for you guys, we're gonna do one with the hood closed. So whenever you're ready, Eric.
We ended up actually getting pizza.
Christmas morning chai tea with hemp milk
No, dude. It's
What'd you
all
get?
about the green tea,
with raspberry.
raspberries.
Luigi got some water because he can't afford a real drink. Oh, vodka, yep.
on the rocks.
Low key. Yo guys, you guys saw those clips, so the Q60 sounds absolutely filthy. It sounds like a whole different beast now. I just can't wait to install the low pressure fuel pump, the high pressure fuel pump, and the downpipes, and then get a tune right away. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, make sure you guys drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for making it this far. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.